Today, we will explore one of the most luxurious and powerful sports cars to hit the market in 2024. From its impressive design to its high-performance capabilities, the Gran Cabrio Trofeo sets new standards in the sports car segment. Within this competitive field, long-standing and prominent brands like Maserati continue to lead the charge. For 2024, Maserati has reintroduced the Gran Cabrio model, with its standout being the turbocharged Trofeo version. This car not only excels in performance, but also in luxury and exclusivity. The Gran Cabrio Trofeo makes a bold statement in the sports car market. The 2024 Gran Cabrio Trofeo starts at a base price of $203,000, making it the second most expensive car in Maserati's current lineup, surpassed only by the MC20 supercar. But what do you get for this price? The Gran Cabrio Trofeo offers an impressive range of 32 exterior paint options, with 26 belonging to the exclusive Fuori collection. Some color choices can increase the price by up to an additional $31,050, allowing owners to customize their car according to their most discerning tastes. Maserati also offers the Gran Turismo hardtop model, which shares many features with the Gran Cabrio. The Trofeo version of the Gran Turismo starts at $190,000, slightly cheaper, but still a high-performance and luxury car. Additionally, the Gran Turismo Modena, equipped with a smaller V6 engine, starts at $158,000. One of the main reasons the Gran Cabrio Trofeo justifies its price is its performance. Equipped with a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, the Gran Cabrio Trofeo produces 542 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. This allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds and reach a top speed of 196 miles per hour. The Gran Cabrio Trofeo comes with 4 driving modes: Comfort, GT, Sport, and Corsa, each designed to offer the best driving experience in different conditions. In summary, the 2024 Maserati Gran Cabrio Trofeo combines luxury, performance, and exclusivity in a way that few cars can match. From its powerful engine to its high-end customization options, this car represents the best of what Maserati has to offer. Whether you're looking for speed, style, or comfort, the Gran Cabrio Trofeo will not disappoint.